Hello everyone. Today I will discuss the details on the how to connect two computers using Ethernet cable. ये आपका एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 2 है. ठीक, एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1 हम डिस्कस कर लिए थे पहले वीडियो लेक्चर में. अब देखते हैं. इट इज़ वेरी easy to connect two computers for data transmission using Ethernet cable. The Cat5 or Cat5e crossover cable are widely used for the purpose and prevent from losing any data during transmission. These cables are quite identical to straight through cable but come with twisted wire on both ends. You can use the following step to connect two computers using Ethernet cable. देन हम स्टेप देखते हैं कि हम कैसे कंप्यूटर को कनेक्ट करते हैं ईथरनेट केबल के थ्रू. फर्स्ट स्टेप है इसमें, कनेक्ट वन एंड ऑफ द केबल विथ RJ45 कनेक्टर इनटू द ईथरनेट पोर्ट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. प्लग द अदर end of the cable into another computer. Logging to one of the computer, go to the search box at the bottom left of the computers and the type network and sharing center and click it. Then go to the change adapter setting on the top left side. Then right click on the Ethernet and go to properties. Then select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP version 4 and click properties. Then select the IP address and subnet marks at the two computers are mentioned below. To check the connection, restart both PC and use the below instruction. Then ping 192.168.0.2 -T from the second PC. Ping 192.168.0.1 from the first PC. Right click on this PC option and click on change setting option. The work group name should be identical in both PC, otherwise Ethernet connection won't work. If you want to share bold drive, just right click on the drive you want to share and select share with advanced sharing option and check the box beside share this folder option and click OK to apply change. Application of RJ45. RJ45 are mainly used in Ethernet cable for data transmission. They come in two types, that is T568A and T568B. As compared to the RJ11 connector, RJ45 comes with more application including Ethernet networking, industrial automation and telecommunication. आई होप सबको समझ आ गया हो कि कैसे हम टू कंप्यूटर्स को ईथरनेट केबल के थ्रू कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, थैंक यू ऑल.